हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल सिविल इंजीनियरिंग नोट्स, चेंजिंग द वे ऑफ लर्निंग। स्वागत है आप सबका। अब हम बात करने जा रहे सिविल इंजीनियरिंग सब्जेक्ट कंक्रीट टेक्नोलॉजी का पार्ट 6 लेके। यहाँ पे मैं डिस्कस करूँगा कंक्रीट टेक्नोलॉजी का कुछ थ्योरी पार्ट। आप लोग हमारा चैनल पे नया है तो चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। तो चलिए अभी स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ। मेजरमेंट ऑफ वर्कएबिलिटी। Measurement of workability. A number of different empirical tests are available for measuring the workability of fresh concrete, but none of these is fully satisfactory. Each test provides only useful information within a range of variation in workability. Following are the empirical tests widely used. SLAM test, very important. SLAM test. The SLAM test is essentially a measure of consistency or the wetness of the concrete mixture. SLAM test is essentially a measure of consistency test. Consistency of concrete is measured with the help of SLAM test. This test is carried out with a steel mold in the form of a rostrum of a cone whose top diameter 100 mm, bottom diameter 200 mm and the height is 300 mm. मतलब स्लम कोन कैसे होता, ऐसा होता स्लम कोन। इसका टॉप डाया, बॉटम डाया, हाइट, टॉप डाया 100 mm, bottom dia 200 mm and height 300 mm, 300 mm. According to Indian standard specification, the maximum size of the aggregate would not exceed 38 mm. 38 mm से ज़्यादा नहीं होगा मैक्सिमम साइज ऑफ एग्रीगेट इन दिस स्लम टेस्ट। स्लम टेस्ट पे जो एग्रीगेट यूज होता उसका साइज 38 mm से ज़्यादा नहीं होगा। This method is suitable only for the concrete of medium to high workability. The slump value or high degree of workability should vary between 80 to 100 mm. 80 to 100 mm. It may be noted that as the slump value increases, the workability of concrete also increases. स्लैम वैल्यू इंक्रीज होने के कारण कारण वर्कएबिलिटी भी इंक्रीज होता। यहाँ पे एक रॉड यूज करा जाता स्टॉक करने के लिए, उसका डाया 600 mm, उसको रेंजिंग रॉड कहा जाता। रेंजिंग रॉड 600 mm का रेंजिंग रॉड वो किसका दौरान काम पे आता? स्टॉक करने के लिए। तो देखिए compaction factor test. Compaction factor test. The compaction factor test is carried out to measure the compactability of concrete, which is an important aspect of workability. This test works on the principle of measuring the amount of compaction achieved by a standard amount of work done by allowing the concrete to fall through a standard height. This test is more accurate than slump test. स्लैम टेस्ट से ये ज़्यादा एक्यूरेट है। compaction factor test is more accurate than slump test. This test is more accurate than slump test, especially for concrete mixes of medium and low workability. Compaction factor of 0.9 to 0.8. The compaction factor test is more popular to determine the workability of concrete mix in laboratories. देखिए BV टेस्ट नंबर 3, BV टेस्ट. The BV test is suitable for stiff concrete mixes having low and very low workability. Low and very low workability चेक करने के लिए, टेस्ट करने के लिए BV टेस्ट करा जाता। There is no rigid correlation between workabilities of concrete as measured by different test methods. The workability measured by different test methods are given in the following table. Recommended workability values. Degree of workability slump value in mm, compacting factor, PV टाइम इन सेकेंड, ये आप देख सकते हैं। अभी देखिए एक इम्पोर्टेंट चैप्टर है कंक्रीट ग्रेड। कंक्रीट ग्रेड अकॉर्डिंग टू इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड स्पेसिफिकेशन, the concrete mix are designed into following 7 grades. Concrete mixes are designated into following 7 grades: M1, M10, M15, M20, M25, M30, M35, M40. In the designation of a concrete mix, the letter M means mixture. M means mixture. M refers to the mixture, and 10 M10 refers to the specified characteristic compressive strength of a 150 mm cube at 28 days, expressed in megapascal or Newton per mm square. For example, a concrete mix of grade M25 मतलब that the compressive strength of 150 mm cube at 28 days after mixing is 25 Newton per mm square. compressive strength आएगा। The concretes are mainly divided into two categories: ordinary concrete and controlled concrete. कंक्रीट दो तरीका का, ऑर्डिनरी कंक्रीट एंड controlled concrete. The concrete in which no preliminary tests are performed for designing the mixture is called ordinary concrete. The ordinary concrete is used for M10, M15, M20, M25. Ordinary concretes are M10, M15, M20, M25. इसको ऑर्डिनरी किस लिए कहा जाता? यहाँ पे कोई भी प्रिलिमिनरी टेस्ट इज नॉट अर्जेंट or not performed. In the concrete in which preliminary tests are performed for designing the mixture is called control concrete. The control concrete is used for all the 7 grades of concrete mix. तो देखिए the proportion of different ingredients, cement, sand, and aggregate in the concrete mix are as follows: M10 1:3:6, cement, sand, aggregate. M15 1:2:4, M20 1:1.5:3, M25 1:1:2, M30 1:5:10 और 1:6:12। तो देखिए M10 कहाँ पे यूज करा जाता है? M10 mass concrete in piers, abutment, massive reinforced concrete members. M15 normal RCC of slab, column, beam, all, small span arches यहाँ पे यूज करा जाता है। M20 water retaining structures such as reservoirs, column, and piles. M25 long span arches and highly loaded columns. यहाँ पे M30 यूज करा जाता है, सॉरी M25 यूज करा जाता है। M30 mass concrete foundation, M35 post tension pre-stressed concrete, M40 pre-tension pre-stressed concrete. So guys, it is much for today. अगर आप हमारा चैनल पे नया है तो चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।